If you want to see who completed a survey in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can find individual responses and identify the person behind the submission, if that information was collected in the survey. This is especially helpful when you need to review responses one by one, verify details, or follow up with a specific participant. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel, and it makes sure you never miss a helpful guide. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the survey you want to review. Click on that survey to open it. This is important because you need to be inside the specific survey before you can view its results and individual responses. After opening the survey, look for the Analyze Results option. Click on the Analyze Results to go into the reporting area for that survey. This is where SurveyMonkey stores all the response data, charts, and individual submissions. Now, in the Analyze Results section, find and click Individual Responses. This view lets you inspect each response separately instead of just looking at summary statistics. If your survey collected identifying information like names, emails, or custom respondent fields, this is where you'll be able to see it. Once you're in individual responses, you'll see a list of the responses that were submitted. Browse through the list and locate the response you want to open. When you find the one you need, click View. That will open the full response record so you can see the answers in detail. Inside the response view, check the information that was captured by the survey. If you included a name field, email field, contact question, or any other identifier, you should be able to match that response to the person who completed it. Keep in mind that SurveyMonkey can only show who completed the survey if that data was actually collected. If the survey was anonymous and no identifying questions were included, then you may only see the answers without a name attached. So if you're trying to track respondents, make sure your survey is set up to collect the right details before sending it out. That way, when responses come in, you can easily identify who submitted each one and review the answers with full context, and that's it. You've now learned how to see who completed a survey in SurveyMonkey by going to the survey, opening Analyze Results, selecting individual responses, and viewing the specific response you want. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.